You wake up, open your crypto app, and FET is up 20% in a single day. Volume is up 106%. Your heart is racing, your hands are sweaty. You're thinking, did I miss it? Is this real? Or is this just another pump before the dump? Stay right here, because I'm about to break down exactly what's happening with FET, what the on-chain data is screaming, what the chart is telling us, and whether this rally has real legs, or if it's a beautiful lie dressed in green candles. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your go-to source for real crypto analysis. No hype, no fluff, just the data and the truth. Make sure you hit that like button right now and subscribe so you never miss a breakdown. Let's get into it. So let's start with the basics. FET, that's the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance token, just posted a jaw-dropping 20% move in a single session. The price reclaimed the 16-cent level and at press time is trading near 22.9 to 23 cents. Recovering from recent lows that had some investors questioning whether this project was even alive. But here's what makes this interesting. This isn't just price action. Trading volume surged over 106%. That means participation came flooding back into this market almost overnight. In crypto, when price moves and volume explodes together, the market is trying to tell you something. The question is, are you listening closely enough? The AI crypto sector has been absolutely on fire lately. With NVIDIA's GTC conference spotlighting agentic AI, the entire AI-adjacent crypto space is catching attention from both retail and institutional eyes. FET is right in the middle of that narrative, and timing, as they say, is everything. Now, before you go clicking buy and calling your accountant, slow down, because while the price looks beautiful on the surface, the internals are a little more complicated. According to data from CryptoQuant, FET's exchange reserve in US dollars has climbed by about 17%. Reaching approximately $92.5 million. That means more tokens are flowing onto exchanges. And why do traders move tokens onto exchanges? To sell them. When exchange reserves rise during a price rally, it's not celebration, it's preparation. Sellers are loading up at higher prices, ready to distribute into the demand. Think of it like a fire sale where the shop owner is quietly restocking the clearance shelf while customers rush in through the front door. It gets even more layered. The spot Taker CVD, that's the cumulative volume delta for spot markets, remains sell-dominant as of this analysis. In plain English, the aggressive participants in this market, the ones placing market orders and pushing price in real time, are still net sellers. The price is going up not because buyers overwhelmingly dominate, but because buyers are absorbing that persistent sell pressure step by step. That kind of rally is fragile. It only lasts as long as buyers stay hungry. The moment absorption weakens, sellers don't need to try hard. Gravity does the work. Alright, so what does the chart actually say? According to data from TradingView, FET is forming what looks like a classic rounded bottom after stabilizing near the 14-cent support zone. This isn't some impulsive spike. The curvature of the move reflects gradual, patient buyer accumulation. That matters. Spikes lie. Curves tend to be more honest. The MACD has crossed above the signal line, with the histogram turning positive and expanding gradually, a textbook signal of strengthening upside momentum, and the parabolic SR dots have crossed below the price, confirming the shift from bearish to bullish structure. Both indicators align. That's not nothing. The key resistance now sits at 25 cents. Prior rejections have happened in this exact zone, so watch it carefully. If FET can sustain higher lows and break cleanly through 25 cents, the next target being discussed is 35 cents. That would be a significant extension of this recovery. Now, speaking of targets, well-known crypto trader Crypto Tony locked in a 10% profit during this rally and is tracking the 23.4-cent resistance level closely. His approach? Fibonacci retracements, key support and resistance zones, and disciplined profit-taking. Not glamorous, but it works. He's not chasing moonshots, he's harvesting the structure, and that's the move. And if you want to talk about social momentum, let's talk about FET enthusiast and analyst VDP94, known in the community as FET Agent, who dropped a notable post on X flagging FET's leap from number 297 all the way to number 4 in LunarCrush's AltRank. LunarCrush data shows trading volume came in at $362 million for the week, 557% above monthly averages, alongside nearly 2 million social engagements in a single 24-hour window. That's not organic hype, that's coordinated attention from a market that smells something real. And what is that real thing? Catalysts, a confirmed Visa integration that enables AI agents to handle payments autonomously. reported synergies with Google for AI ecosystem expansion, industrial collaboration with Bosch, and a rumored Mastercard partnership reportedly on the horizon. These aren't vaporware promises on a white paper. These are name-brand integrations that bridge crypto AI into real-world commerce. My take: the Visa integration alone is underrated. If AI agents can transact autonomously using FET's infrastructure, you're no longer talking about a speculative token, you're talking about financial plumbing for the AI economy. That shifts the use case from bet on AI hype to hold the infrastructure. That's a fundamentally different investment thesis, and it's one worth taking seriously. Now, full transparency here, FET still sits roughly 74 to 93% below its 2024 all-time high of over $3. This is a recovery play, not a we've made it moment. The peers are moving too. Bitensor and Render also posted strong weekly numbers, which tells me this is a sector-wide rotation rather than FET-specific magic. Ride the wave, but know where the rocks are. One more thing my experience tells me: when sentiment readings hover near 86% bullish and RSI is stretched, the easy money phase is typically nearing its end. Not the top, but the part where every trade feels like a gift. After that zone, the market starts requiring more precision. So, where does this leave us? FET is showing legitimate structural recovery. The chart, the indicators, the catalyst stack, they all point in the same direction, but the exchange reserves and the sell-dominant CVD remind us that this rally is being tested in real time. Buyers need to hold the line. Watch 25 cents like your rent depends on it. A clean break with volume is the green light. Rejection or weak volume at that level. Take profits, respect the zone, and wait for a healthier re-entry. The next few weeks for AI crypto, FET included, could define the sector's direction for months. Keep your eyes on partnership confirmations, volume sustainability, and whether those social engagement numbers translate into actual on-chain activity. If you found this breakdown valuable, please hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. And if you want to go deeper on AI crypto and market cycle analysis, check out my other videos on the channel. I've got you covered. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and unpredictable. Always conduct your own research, understand the risks, and never invest more than you are prepared to lose. This content is for educational and informational purposes only.